Tristan, what's so funny? What's so funny? We just opened up Tristan's new baby gate. And apparently it's very funny. What are you doing? Well, why is it so funny? Here, can we open it again? So you open it. It's bright in here, huh? And then you close it. Is that funny? Oh, you mad now? Okay, I'll open it one more time. Ready? Okay. Let's not break it before we put it up. Whoa! Right now, you gotta close it. You're really weird. All right, bye.